Have you always wished you had more data around those abandoned cart notifications? Well, if you want to report more on revenue and less on the gum under your desk, wait, what? Yeah, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
Understanding your email's impact with closed-loop revenue reporting for abandoned cart emails, well, is important. And let's talk about emails for a hot second. Sending emails is great. I love it. But if they're not actually driving revenue, what is the point? For a marketer, it's critical that us as marketers connect all of our efforts to the bottom line, both to show our value, ROI, to our company and to ensure that we're looking to focus on the most important efforts moving forward in the future. With that in mind, HubSpot is breaking down the wall between marketing emails and deals in HubSpot for the first time ever. For abandoned cart emails, you'll now be able to see exactly how your efforts are contributing to closed deals and bottom line revenue. You should be excited and you should be wondering, how does it work? Well, I got you. As a HubSpot user, you'll now see a new set of stats on the post-send email screen, telling you how much revenue your abandoned cart emails influenced. Below that, you'll see a new roll-up report of clicked product links in the top clicked links panel. You'll also see deals closed over time, including within the engagement over time report. But wait, there's more. There is also an additional breakdown of recipients who closed a deal and what they have ordered, plus the revenue on the recipient tab of your deal screen. Oh my gosh. Wondering if you have access to this feature? Well, this feature is now available on all abandoned cart emails built within the e-commerce integration in HubSpot. So, HubSpot email integration, you got it. Do you like these updates? Well, if so, head over to sprockettalk.com/FB. That'll take you right to our private Facebook group where we can carry on the conversation. Make sure you check out sprockettalk.com/audio or /video. That'll get you to our podcast where you can continue to learn on the move. As well as while you're on the internet, make sure you check out our Facebook page and our YouTube channel. Hit the bells to like, subscribes, all the things so that we know that you're part of the community. Need training past this update? Check the descriptions below. That's what we do. 1 and 2 day trainings, aka workshops. If you're doing e-commerce, make sure you check out this update. And while you're doing that, make sure you do some happy HubSpotting.